something stinks.
Yeah.
Something stinks there, right?
I'm tired.
You can throw it away now.
Oh, it's this one that we need, right?
Right?
I like the mirror, actually.
Oh, come here. Let me stand up here. It's gonna look like you're actually looking out there. Right? Is this Canada?
It's US, no, it's Thailand.
Oh, yeah, right. It's a new building.
Wait, is this US? No, that's Alex Fraser.
This is Surrey. Is it?
No. Alex Fraser.
Oh yes, New Westminster Books
This
over
is
there.
like, this is like Metro Town.
Let's look at this
It's
light.
Metro Town, 100%. It's Metro Town. It's Metro Town.
Oh yeah.
See, that's the
Yeah.
food court.
What is light? What's this? What is this for?
Rogers. They blurred it.
See, ko?
$6.99?
It's expensive, no?
Yeah.
Oh, sofa bed.
For a sec. You just pull it.
Oh, like that. I'm not gonna pull it out, but yeah.
Yeah, beat it.
Oh, this is a real record, Scott.
This is nice.
See?
I like that for some reason.
It is real? It's real, Ryan.
Japanese?
No, it's real records.
Hey now. It's broken.
Doesn't work.
Now?
We should get
Yeah.
Which one? I see.
Like something like this. Like this.
Like this one, right? I think we should get one today.
Yeah, we can
This is what I want at Nature's. I want it like that. So it's
Yeah, we can
side
have
off
multiple
of-
like this a lot.
I want it so it's not all over the counter.
It's actually similar to this, the one we have, right?
Right? Yeah, we should get something like that. So we can fix the cupboard.
Come here.
Not good?
I like that. I like that. The fireplace is on that side.
Right? Can we do this? Like, in the kitchen instead of the living room?
We can get something like this.
in the kitchen core and was in, huh?
Yeah, I like that. The wall.
Right? See? This is fake fire anyway, it's just
I know.
the heater coming out there.
It's like that design.
Really
And
nice,
with
right?
picture like this. Right? Like a Millie and then us like that. Like
Right.
really nice.
Yeah, open this and see how they're organizing stuff. This was really nice, something like this, right? So you don't have to stack all your pots and pans. Okay, let's do it like that. But I don't like it like this. Also this one. You can find garbage somewhere there. Reinforce.
Pin. And I like even the height of the head bean is like
This is nice.